Hello friends, Curiosity Soul 4593, Must Camera, Must Cam, Hazard Avoidance Camera, HazCam, and Navigation Camera, NavCam. These images were taken by Must Cam, HazCam, and NavCam on board NASA's Mars rover Curiosity on 8th July 2025, the 4593rd Martian day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. All these image credits NASA, JPL Caltech, MSSS. As of June 2025, NASA's Mars rover Curiosity is located in the Gale crater on Mars, exploring and tracking the foothill of Mount Sharp on the red planet Mars. NASA's Curiosity rover is a car-sized robotic explorer on Mars, part of the Mars Science Laboratory mission. It landed on Mars in August 2012 and has been exploring Gale Crater and Mount Sharp, searching for the evidence of past habitability and the presence of organic molecules. Curiosity was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads the mission on behalf of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington. Marine Space Science Systems in San Diego built and operate MustCam. A key objective for Curiosity's mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. The Mars Perseverance and Mars Curiosity mission are the part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover and Mars Curiosity rover. Let me tell you again that all these image credits NASA, JPL Caltech, MSSS, and Curiosity Mars rover captured most of these images using its Mustcam, Hazcam, and Navcam. Curiosity rover captured most of these images on 8th July 2025, the 4593rd Martian day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars.